Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Annulus game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure you have all the required specs and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -tx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for it and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Here you have to check those apps which are running in the background without any use. So you simply have to select them, right click on it, then click on end tasks. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, then click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. And after that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just simply copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. It will download Visual C++ files. Click on the link. You will get repair or install option. Wait for some time. And after you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlay. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options and then check if the game is launching or not. Next is to disable antivirus program. For that, if your system have any antivirus software installed, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to fix the issue because most of the time antivirus software stops you from playing the game. So make sure you disable your antivirus software and then try to launch the game. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads. After that, click on clear cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam. So simply confirm it. After that, log into Steam again and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings, click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Here select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288. and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to search for graphics settings. Open it. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, search for it and then click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Annulus game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Annulus game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Annulus game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all from me in this video. Thank you.